We're often looking for ways to add impact to our yard, something that's easy to maintain, but again brings color. Purple is a great way to do that. When you think about the color purple, it signifies royalty, but it's also extremely bold. And so finding hardy varieties that you can add to your landscape can really offset the very many choices we see out there in terms of greens and other colors. So by bringing something that's purple and even incorporating some yellow, like this night glow honeysuckle, the flower actually as a color chart wheel kind of thing really offsets and pops. Again, there's lots of varieties out there. Things like 9-barks are extremely hardy. So if you're struggling to keep things alive, 9-barks are a great way to go to add the color purple and be extremely successful in your landscape. We all want our yards looking great for the summer, and bringing purple is one of the very best ways to do it. We'll see you next time on Classic Landscaping.